Your bedroom is your personal oasis, a space where you can unwind, relax, and express your unique personality. As a teenager, keeping your bedroom clean and organized can have a significant impact on your well-being, productivity, and overall happiness. However, it's not always easy to maintain a tidy space amidst the busy and often chaotic teenage life. That's why this comprehensive 10-step guide is here to help you navigate the process of cleaning your bedroom effectively. By following these practical steps, you will learn valuable strategies and techniques to transform your bedroom into a clean and inviting sanctuary. From decluttering and organizing to dusting, vacuuming, and refreshing your space. Each step will contribute to creating a clean and serene environment where you can thrive. A clean bedroom goes beyond just aesthetics. It can improve your focus, reduce stress, and create a positive atmosphere for restful sleep. Moreover, a clutter-free space allows you to find what you need easily and helps you stay organized in all areas of your life. With a clean and tidy bedroom, you can enhance your overall well-being and create a harmonious environment that supports your daily activities and goals. Throughout this guide, we will delve into each step in detail, providing practical tips, techniques, and suggestions to make your cleaning process more manageable and efficient. We understand the unique challenges faced by teenagers, such as schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and social commitments. Therefore, we have designed this guide with your specific needs in mind, ensuring that the strategies are realistic, adaptable, and easy to implement. Remember, cleaning your bedroom is not a one-time task but an ongoing practice. By incorporating these steps into your routine and establishing good habits, you can maintain a clean and organized space effortlessly. Consistency and dedication are key, but the rewards are worth it. A clean bedroom that reflects your personality, enhances your well-being, and provides a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. So, let's embark on this journey together. Follow each step, embrace the process, and enjoy the satisfaction of a clean and organized bedroom that truly feels like your own. It's time to transform your space into a sanctuary where you can thrive, recharge, and express your unique self. Step 1. Set clear goals. Define your cleaning goals and establish a realistic timeline. Determine what specific areas of your bedroom require attention and set achievable objectives to guide your cleaning process. Step 2. Declutter and organize. Begin by decluttering your bedroom. Sort items into categories: keep, donate, discard, and remove unnecessary belongings. Organize your belongings in designated storage spaces such as bins, drawers, and shelves to maintain order and accessibility. Step 3. Make your bed. Start each day by making your bed. Straighten the sheets, fluff the pillows, and arrange the blankets neatly. A well-made bed instantly adds a sense of tidiness and sets the tone for a clean bedroom. Step 4. Dust and wipe surfaces. Dust surfaces, including furniture, shelves, and windowsills, using a microfiber cloth or duster. Wipe down surfaces with appropriate cleaning solutions to remove fingerprints, smudges, and dust buildup. Step 5. Vacuum and sweep floors. Vacuum carpets or sweep and mop hard floors to remove dust, dirt, and debris. Pay attention to corners, under furniture, and any areas that tend to accumulate dust or dirt. Step 6. Clean windows and mirrors. Use a glass cleaner and lint-free cloth to clean windows and mirrors, removing streaks and smudges for a sparkling finish. Natural solutions like vinegar and water can also be effective alternatives. Step 7. Tackle laundry. Gather dirty clothes and separate them by color or fabric type. Launder them following the recommended instructions. Fold or hang clean clothes promptly to prevent clutter and maintain an organized wardrobe. Step 8. Wipe down electronics. clean and dust electronic devices such as your computer, television, and gaming console, using appropriate cleaning solutions and microfiber cloths. Ensure all cables are organized and free from dust or tangles. Step 9. Refresh your bedding. Regularly wash and change your bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and blankets. This helps maintain a fresh and inviting sleep environment while reducing allergens and odors. Step 10. Personalize and maintain. Add personal touches to your clean bedroom by arranging decor, displaying cherished items, and incorporating storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Establish daily habits, such as putting items away after use, to maintain a clean and organized space. Congratulations on completing this comprehensive 10-step guide on how to clean your bedroom as a teenager. By following these steps and incorporating the strategies outlined, you have taken a significant step toward creating a clean, organized, and inviting space that reflects your individuality. Remember, a clean bedroom is more than just tidiness, it is a reflection of your mindset and can greatly impact your overall well-being. By maintaining a clean and organized environment, you create a space that promotes relaxation, focus, and a sense of calm. Cleaning your bedroom is not a chore to be dreaded, but rather an opportunity to take ownership of your space and create an atmosphere that nurtures your physical and mental health. It can be a transformative experience that allows you to declutter not only your physical belongings but also your mind, creating space for inspiration and creativity to flourish. As a teenager, life can be hectic, and it's easy for your bedroom to become cluttered and disorganized. However, with the tools and techniques provided in this guide, you now have the knowledge and skills to effectively tackle the cleaning process and maintain a clean environment moving forward. Remember to make cleaning your bedroom a regular part of your routine. Dedicate a few minutes each day to tidying up, putting things back in their place, and decluttering as needed. By doing so, you will prevent the accumulation of mess and maintain the serene atmosphere you've worked hard to create. Additionally, involve your family or roommates in the cleaning process. Share the responsibilities. Set up a cleaning schedule and support each other in keeping your shared living spaces organized. Collaboration can make the process more enjoyable and foster a sense of teamwork and responsibility. Lastly, embrace the sense of accomplishment that comes with a clean and organized bedroom. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation and the positive impact it can have on your life. A clean and organized space provides a solid foundation for you to thrive academically, creatively, and emotionally. With the insights gained from this guide, you have the power to create a bedroom that truly reflects who you are, a space that nurtures your dreams, supports your goals, and provides comfort and tranquility. Embrace the journey of maintaining a clean bedroom as a teenager, and enjoy the benefits that come with it. Now, go forth and continue to cultivate a clean and organized space that brings you joy and enhances your well-being. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, and by keeping it clean, you create a personal haven where you can rest, recharge, and let your true self shine.